Good morning! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day working on the Cayman. For those of you who don't know and haven't seen anything on this build, this is my 997 Cayman with the first Karma widebody kit in Northern America, second in the world. Super crazy. If you guys haven't seen any of this, click it in this right hand corner. It'll bring you to a playlist with all of this build series and you guys can catch up on all that. Consider subscribing because we make new videos every single Tuesday. Working hard, trying to get 100,000 subscribers here, so everything you guys do, every view, every like is greatly appreciated. Thank you. In the previous video, we put the front flares on. Looks super good. The majority of this wide body kit is now on, but one of the biggest problems that we need to address, these saucy boys right here. One of my favorite wheels, my SSR SP1s, iconic RWB style. JDM, love it. But Houston, we got a problem. This has perfect wheel clearance right now. It can turn and not touch. Now here we are on the left side of the car. This is where our problem is. When the wheel goes towards the inside, if you can see, I can't even jam my finger in here because it's touching. It's touching pretty bad. And this angle is probably trash as well. And lucky for us, it's not a big deal because it's a Porsche and that's only the radiator on both sides. There's two of them. So, if we don't want to get left stranded somewhere because our wheels burned a hole through the radiator, we gotta move these Johnnies. How are we gonna do that? Well.
Next question. See ya.
First thing though that we gotta do is I have some wheel spacers on these, not because the fitment was terrible, only because I didn't have the proper lugs to bolt these on without the spacer. If that makes any sense. I only had the ball seats, not the acorn seats. So now I actually have the proper lugs. We're gonna pull the spacers off, put the wheels on. I think that should help a lot. Maybe I'm just an idiot and we're making this video for no reason, but we'll find out. So first thing we're gonna do, my god. Oh no. It's broken. Pull this up. This down up. Okay. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Bum, bum, bum. Let's turn the steering wheel. Let's turn this all the way to the left. That's as far as it's gonna let me turn left. Are we touching? Nada? Are we touching? Fingers crossed. Oh boys, she's touching, but like barely touching up there, boys. All right, here's the deal. Here's the scoop. I've done a little snooping, all right? I think I got the solution. We got a nut right here. We have a nut right here. And then a bolt. We got two nuts and a bolt holding this entire radiator housing up as far as I can see. The plan is to remove those two nuts and bolts, take this whole housing and slide it forward. That's the plan. I'm gonna pull this wheel off and then we're gonna get to...
I was thinking about you, like drinking a some TV. Felt like I was drinking one more sip and here we go.
Here's our 2 nuts and our bolt. Just like, I'm sorry. I can literally, just like that. Pull this bad boy off. And slide it in the direction that I want. Oh, it's not quite an inch. There is another bolt right here. Well, I'm sorry there, fellas. We have 2 nuts and 2 bolts. Now we're talking. Now we can move. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that you guys died. But what we've got right here, 1 riv nut with the screw in here that's moved up. You can't see the old one, but it's about 1 inch away. And then boom, riv nut and new bolt. This is where this was previously. It's about 1 inch away. I know it's a little down. What we're working with right here. Here's the riv nut on this side. Okay, so I'm working on this side. I forgot to get the wheel off, so I'm gonna unbolt the wheel real quick, and then we'll get this part of it done, bolted in the front. Insert get air out for all the peasants over here watching, huh?
What up, fam?
What's up? It's been a long time.
What's up, YouTube? What's up with that thing?
Come on.
I want to see it on the floor already.
I moved the radiators. That's what I've been doing right now.
Oh, the ones in the front right here that were...
Yeah, I moved the front radiators so that I could turn.
Oh, nice.
You see I scooted them up about 1 inch.
Yeah.
That's what I was just about to do right now, is throw some bolts on. You see how that flare's mounted, baby?
Oh, nice. You fucking... Nice. Looks good.
Yeah.
One-man army.
Doing it.
Looks good, dude.
You getting the Rona over there, or what's going on?
No.
You dying? Oh my god. Hello? Hi, Weston.
Hi, Tyler.
How have you been?
I'm great.
I heard you have popped another bag.
Possibly. Camera life.
Right.
Camera life.
You hold this.
Okay.
Wow.
After hours of relocating these freaking the radiators, I think we finally got wheel clearance. Don't point the camera at Rona. You'll probably get it.
I don't have Rona, bitch. You can bleep that out, sorry.
I'll leave it in there. He's sensitive about it, so that's how you know. First step is denial.
I don't have it.
Check the wheel clearance. Go get the wheel clearance.
Yes, sir.
Do we have wheel clearance?
Yes, you're good. Go for it.
Full lock?
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah.
You good?
What about backside?
Yeah, you're good.
This bitch turns.
Hold on. Turn it back, lock. Oh, that's your AC line.
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah, you're rubbing on your AC line. Yep.
No air conditioning. So, but that's only a full lock, right?
Yeah, that's a full lock.
I mean, when am I going to be going
Like, full lock when you're doing donuts?
Yeah, when am I? Yeah, fuck. Damn it.
Yeah, you're good. Other than that, you're good.
This shit turns. That was the goal for today. Good. We moved the radiators 1.5 inches forward. That's it. End of the video.
End of the video. That's the end of the video?
Yeah, that's just how it's ending.
Alright, bye!
Everybody here, we all apologize to Kyle because not a single one of us went to Formula D with Kyle this weekend.
Sorry, Kyle.
You didn't ask me.
Oh, well,
Sorry,
I'm just
Kyle.
kidding, Weston.
Oh, you know why he didn't talk to you? Because he blew another bag and it's sitting at his shop. That's why.
All right. That was good progress for today.
I'm excited to see your car done. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Like, I want to see you finish this thing already.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, hurry up, Tyler.
So
For me at my job, so I can come here and do this. Or we just need enough of you to subscribe and watch the new videos every Tuesday so I can get paid out for doing this.
Any food?
You want dessert?
No, I want food.
Dessert?
No.
Why not?
I want a fat ass burger from In-N-Out 4x4. Hell
Okay,
yeah.
so we're gonna go to In-N-Out now?
Saw it.
Saw that.
You gotta fix your hair.
I know.
Redo. No, it's not right.
It's not right.
There you go. Fucking Jared Dines.
Saw it.
I saw it.
Saw it.